Hey ladies and gents, today we have the new 208. So this is the mild hybrid. You can see the car, it's basically the same, so I'm just gonna walk around a little bit. This is not a press car. It is here for a press, but we'll have the GT car. So I'm just gonna, there's another person with me in the back, so I'm just gonna take it for a short spin. So we do have a automatic, but without the keyless entry. You get the digital cockpit in the Allure standard. This is even in the base standard as well. Now just to show you the spec here real quick. So there you go. 100 horsepower mild hybrid. Safety first. Let me just show you the reverse camera for a moment. Very sharp. Now they have HD quality. And let's just head out. We're in drive. So it's kind of easy to forget that the car is on because it starts with the electric motor. And it really feels more like a hybrid rather than a mild hybrid. Just took it for a short spin here. Now very comfortable as all French cars, and you can see when the dial for the speed is blue, it is driving electric, but when it's white, it's using the petrol. So you will see in the short drive how much it uses electric. Now they told us that you can do 50% of your drive electric. Purely you can do 1 kilometer electric. I'm gonna assume that's in the ideal conditions. One thing I do like about it is when you let go of the acceleration or gas, whatever you call it, it actually recuperates a lot. Now you have these sport paddles there for shifting, so it is automatic recuperation, which is like on a hybrid or plug-in hybrid. Some people are not gonna like this, some will, but it gives you benefits. So you charge the battery that way, but also you prolong your brakes life as well. Again, very comfortable, nice to drive. Like the speed up here, but it's just traffic. But very comfortable. See, I'm not using the brakes, the car is slowing down. It switches to electric motor. There's no auto hold, so you have to engage the electronic parking brake, and then when you just press the acceleration, it just continues on. Now I'm just gonna speed up here a bit. So just hit that manhole, but it's really comfortable, and I've been driven on the back as well, also very comfy. Now we didn't have time to do it a little highway drive, but I think it's okay for soundproof. So it switches to electric now. We'll get the GT version, also the mild hybrid later. So we'll do like more detailed tests on the highway as well. Steering wheel is nice and precise. It gives you a good feedback. Feel very connected to the road. Again, you can see that it just, you know, switches to petrol in this up to above 50, but when you go down below 50, it just uses the electric motor, at least as long as the battery is charged. Tank fuel is full, so it says here 460 kilometers of range. Pretty solid for a small city hatchback. And generally, overview in the car is solid and comfortable seating position. Now this is new, so more space here, no more little thing that you have to hold. Camera is excellent, small car, excellent for parking, and you can see while you're reversing, the camera memorizes, so also very practical. Parking sensors standard in the Allure package. The brakes are not too harsh, but again, you can use the recuperation there. That was a quick demo, so thanks for watching, and hope you like the Allure package mild hybrid quick test.